Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, I guess, wherever you are at. Just make sure you guys can hear me. But yeah, so today, we're just really going to be exploring a lot of different AIs I have encountered throughout my time, and really just playing with them. So, as you may guess, ChatGPT is on the list, being one of the most recognized AI and probably the most talked about in the recent time, especially in a lot of academia or school scenarios, especially with how powerful ChatGPT is. But make sure everyone checks in. I'm gonna drop in the check-in link into chat. But we're also going to explore other ones that from other tools such as like GitHub Copilot and so on and so forth. Just make sure you check in. After that, we'll continue from there. But before that, let me see. I want to throw on some background music. Throw on that screen. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's play this at BPM of 160. I'm gonna drop this a bit lower. Feel free to interact in chat and essentially explore with me as I head to these websites. Feel free to bring up yourself and so forth. So real quick introduction, I am Kev. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. I use the he, him, his pronouns, and I do a lot of different things, so feel free to really ask me anything, honestly. And here's the overall schedule for today. We're gonna first try out ChatGPT. We're gonna try out DALL-E. We're gonna try out, I think it's just DALL-E, but we're gonna try out Notion's new AI. Notion is such a powerful tool I know a lot of people use for school. Or academics in general. So we're going to try out their new AI system that they have written and pushed out. We're going to take a look at chat AI bots such as, I think it's like Replica or something. I've never been on there before, so I don't think I have an account for that one. But I thought it'd be something cool to try out on stream. And we're going to try out GitHub Copilot and any other suggestion if anyone in chat has one that we haven't got a chance to explore. But yeah, let's get diving into the world of AI. So our first on the list is one of the more funner ones, ChatGPT. I think they're not currently accepting new accounts or something, so but you can try. Anyone, if you want to try to see if you can get a ChatGPT account, feel free to be my guest. But I think there was some like could not. I don't think you're allowed to make new accounts where they're trying to charge you to make new accounts going forward, or something along those lines. But I do already have an account, so we're going to go ahead and bring that up. Give me 1 second. Let's see. We're going to need to do this. Share screen. Share this. Share new chat window. Cool. Okay, cool. So welcome to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI that has been built by OpenAI. It's been trained on the internet of everything before 2021, and it is a really powerful, I wouldn't necessarily call it a search engine. Actually, what we're gonna do as our first exercise, I'm gonna blow this up a bit. As you can see, I used ChatGPT before. It's actually a really great thing to use to learn technology. For example, I asked, Oh, this is when I was trying to get definitions to easily write things on different types of security concept, right? So whatever, I can't pronounce this, is open source high performance network monitoring, network security monitoring system, etc. Also, you can look up random exe files. So like, what is configure HTTP? What is this? And it tells you it's a likely software name of components. You can ask different variations of it, right? So we're gonna start a new chat. I'm actually gonna clear these conversations. They no longer need them. You can always save conversation to go back to. But we're gonna clear that. Oh, what has happened with my hair is that my hair has gotten too long. Oh, it's not down. That's great to hear. What happens to my hair 404 is my hair has gotten too long, but I haven't had a chance to get it cut. Okay, here's the story. I ended up getting, so coming around the new year, the plan was to get my hair cut, but I ended up getting COVID. So that took me out for like a week and a half-ish. Then I ended up getting food poisoning right after COVID. That took me out for another like week. And then my car tire exploded. Oh no. Yeah, I just have my hair tied up because I can actually see. I'm also at home, so it doesn't really matter. But then my car tire exploded. So I lost my car. Need to get that replaced. After that, I ended up getting both my flu shot and COVID shot on the same day. And that took me out for another bit. And then, yeah, no, I am fine. New Year's is not a great start, but yeah, it's great. Also, 404. Actually, I think you're right because I might have walked under a ladder, opened an umbrella, broke a mirror at the same time, and like I don't know what other bad luck thing. Also, I think you might be right because I found this one, music by 404. I think that's a whole Way thing, but that's my guess right now because Way shares a similar banner category as me. No, now, please. Wait, I'm confused. Is this now or no? Do not play that. Oh, I have no clue. I just found that in my banners, and I didn't write that one. So, oh, I did not know that. Thank you. I appreciate it. But ChatGPT, one of the best things is you can generally ask AI to describe itself. So it's really cool. So like, what is ChatGPT? Let's see what they tell me. So it takes a second to think. Well, why did you hand it over to someone and they've definitely added it? I didn't play it, but I'm saying you're trying to get people banned. And I appreciate this. So sometimes it does take a bit to think. That is on the downside only because a lot of people use using ChatGPT nowadays. So it has a loading period. So ChatGPT is a conversational language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT-3 architecture, which uses deep learning. Remember what deep learning was? Actually, what's funny is I should have known this. I for some reason thought ChatGPT was just machine learning, but deep learning has multiple nodes of neural networks and it is allowed to accept a lot of information, and it will self-learn from it with any type of categorization. Oh, yeah, I will delete that out of the system. But next time, 404, try not to get someone banned, please. Appreciate that. There we go. I delete that out of the system. But yeah, ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse range of internet text, allowing it to answer a wide range of questions and participate in various types of conversation. This model has the ability to understand context, generate coherent, and context-aware responses, and perform various natural language tasks such as text classification, summarization, translation. It's actually really cool because ChatGPT again is developed on neural networks, so no one actually had to give any initial categorized data or any type of training that's what the right answer. So like we can do things like and it has awareness, as in like I actually was curious about this to see if it actually has ability to who is Kev? I will do that, but it actually has the ability to isolate compartmentalize information between sessions. It's actually really cool. It's kind of containerize it. I have tried to break that barrier by asking it weird questions. But for example, before I try who is Kev, I'm gonna try translate that in, let's say, Spanish, right? So you can easily translate things into other languages. I won't be able to understand this, but it is just a thing to take a look at. I don't know if anyone can actually validate the accuracy. I just want to see. You should be able to do any sorts of text classification or summarization or translation. If anyone have any responses you want to watch on live, just drop it in chat and I will save them, query them, and then we'll slowly try to go through all of them. You see? Now it has hopefully translated into a readable thing. Too bad I don't have fluency levels of Spanish, but kind of can see it's pretty cool. Did that translation. And you can also do this. So for example, after this is over, you can always hit stop generating, but I'm just gonna let that fully run out and go from there. Okay, let's try that. So I wonder if this will continue answering in Spanish, but who is Kev? Let's take a look. I will do that. So we're gonna ask you as Kev, and we'll try ask about MLH. I think that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, as you can see, there's a lot of people using ChatGPT nowadays, so there's a lot of halting time like this, but that's okay. We can interesting things. That's crazy. So watch. So if I think I can do I am Kev, it will remember that. It should remember that. Oh, well, unfortunately, this might be a slow day. Nice to meet you, Kev. How can I help you today? So now if I try who is Kev, I think it should remember that across sessions. But we will see. It might just tell me I'm just stupid. But that'd be pretty funny. So actually, I don't know if you guys oh, that's crazy. I've done it before, so you can do it like you can do like write a song about Kev. Oh, I asked not actually simple, but it'll go ahead and write a song. But next one I'm gonna ask is what is MLH? I wonder if it'll actually know this, because this would be trained off of data before 2021. And I actually don't know how much data in terms of like online presence MLH or Major League Hacking has. So I'm gonna try asking what is MLH, and if it doesn't give me a good response, I'm probably gonna ask what is Major League Hacking, and see if we get a first response. You see, the funny thing is like it goes have a name, writes a whole song. But the funny thing is, if you plop in any other name, it writes generally the same song normally. So that is hilarious to me. Yeah, that would be a really good judge of how much SOE MLH has. This is really long. I did not expect this to be so long. Well, I guess I asked it for a song, right? So. Okay, let's try what is MLH. I made nice slides to introduce each of the AIs, but we're probably just gonna jump through it. So we'll play with around with. I wish this was a bit quicker, but we'll put ChatGPT a bit more, a few things, because there's some features I really want to show. I think it's really actually advantageous when you're learning a new concept. Actually, that reminds me, I should have done, which is using ChatGPT. Oh, there you go. MLH, also known as Major League Hacking, is the Student Hackathon League. It is the official student hackathon league of the tech industry, serving over 400,000 students globally each year. MLH is engaged make is an engaged maker community consisting of next generation of tech makers who learn, build, and create a hackathon and event. They strive to achieve computing technology by empowering the next generation to create the future and make a positive impact on the world. MLH operates a seasoned event each year, which accumulates in the MLH Championship. Oh no, this is not right. That is hilarious. I don't think this is true anymore. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna clip that and send it in because that is actually just funny. Because I don't think we do the championship event, and that has not been done in a while. The fact that ChatGPT is trained on the internet that remembers that. I don't know if anyone here even remembers this because it was like I think a pretty low key event. That is hilarious though. But yeah, where did they get that information? Probably from when there was. So actually, I don't know if I'm allowed to tell this story. I don't know if anyone has told this story. I'm gonna actually travel to another desktop for a second. So I think you can still hear me, but let me know if this window is dark. Oh, it won't let me travel between desktops. That's crazy. Okay, that's perfectly fine. I will send this in. Actually, yes, I will send this in later. Thing is, I have isolated my system from experience on streaming of not trying to accidentally leak yourself. Oh, actually, I did it. Okay, never mind. We're good. But you might have gotten dark stream for a second. But yeah, that's hilarious. It's getting that from actually in the past there was some sort of event like that. You can do more research on your own. You can probably find some past history on it. I think if you search the MLH YouTube channel, you can find a pseudo past history of what this is referencing, and I'll leave that up to you. Let's see what else do we have here. By putting it into, I typed who won. It says France. Wait, really? I'm kind of curious about this one. Because how would it know? And then by putting it into Google search and use verbatim. What did you put in Google search? Oh, are you saying where? I'm confused between this link of comments. But yeah, actually, after this, we're gonna try to use it to learn some technical stuff. See, there you go. Actually, maybe you can do. I don't think it can because it's isolated. I don't think it has access to the internet. It's trained on it, but yeah. I'm going to do. So, like for example, if you're learning a technology concept, you can always do how to get started with Python. And it will give you a decent guide or understanding. It's actually really useful in terms of learning when you come across a concept you don't understand. It's like having a search engine that's smart that curates the best answers because it's a natural language model. So I can also do like what is k-means, which is a really important concept. And okay, 404. I'll let you have that one. Python is a great way to learn a new programming language and start building product. Install Python, you can download. See, it writes a step-by-step instruction with your download link. Choose an IDE. PyCharm is the best. Every other one of them is. I'm just kidding. Look at that. You need to get ChatGPT to add join Python pros. It is incredibly helpful. So I'm gonna actually stop generating this, but you can see it. It gives you step-by-step great things. But also, like if you're stuck on a concept, so for example, I have no clue. I mean, okay, VS Code is good if you're looking for really IDE that doesn't come with all the bells and whistle, and you're really just trying to edit code. And VS Code is definitely easier to install. But from like a full-on development environment, I think personally, I prefer PyCharm. Because when I do development, I generally have to do it across multiple different systems, and PyCharm's interface is consistent between all of them. And VS Code, you rely heavily on like, I think you have to install plugins or something. I don't know. VS Code, I've just never been able to get into VS Code. I always found Python pretty helpful. PyCharm, or the whole JetBrains ecosystem. And they give you the professional edition for free as a student, which is great. So, yeah. Extensions, is that what they use? So K-means is a popular. I said unpopular. Is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm used for clustering and used to partition a set of data points into K cluster, where K is a predefined number. The algorithm works by. See, it's great. I actually hate K-means. I mean, I don't hate K-means, but I don't know if we really want to go through the in-depth of K-means. But it's great for learning. Is the whole point. You can ask it honestly anything. It is a natural. It's a neural network. It's a deep learning AI. So it's trained by using a lot of different levels of neural networks. I don't hate K-means. I just don't think it's the right stream to break down what K-means is. I wouldn't have picked K-means as my subject if I hated it. But yeah, it's K-means is great. You can also do like K nearest neighbor, etc., and just ask any type of concept. And like you can always ask, what is deep learning? Actually, I am such a troll. I meant to use ChatGPT to help me write some of my slides for one of my presentations for this Global Hack Week, but I think I forgot. But like, you can legit ask anything. See, for you always come on the stream and try to ping a crime on me when I haven't done anything. It's kind of crazy. See, it answers perfectly. Deep learning is exactly what OpenAI uses to train ChatGPT, and it gives a pretty in-depth definition. I should have used this for my definition. I don't know 404. I think you just hate me. It's actually confirmed. 404 hates Kev. There you go. Okay, cool. So actually, we're gonna move from a ChatGPT. Our next actual our next thing we're gonna actually explore is DALL-E. It's also AI written by OpenAI, but there's a lot of them out there. Essentially, it allows you to give a description of something and it automatically generate artwork. Actually, we're gonna use OpenAI to go. What is DALL-E? I think it's just DALL-E. I just can't speak. Whoa, that's crazy. You cannot be saying that 404. It doesn't work that way. Hello? You're just pinning more crimes on me. I wish ChatGPT was just a tad bit quicker, so we're not sitting forever. DALL-E is an AI-powered image generation system developed by OpenAI. It is capable of generating high-resolution images from textual descriptions, such as a 3-story pink castle with with a moat and flamingos. Blah blah blah. DALL-E uses a transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network. Again, neural network, deep learning, used for natural language processing tasks, and is trained on a diverse set of images and textual description. The system can generate a wide variety of images, including objects, scenes, or even fictional creatures, making it a powerful tool for creative expression and design. It also is capable of interpolating between different textual descriptions to generate new hybrid images that don't correspond to any single description. DALL-E is a remarkable example of the capabilities of modern AI systems and the potential they have to revolutionize creative industries. Its ability to generate images based on textual description opens up new possibility of digital art design and has potential to make the creative process faster and more accessible. I need to put this up. I'm actually going to start this. I'm going to screenshot that for my records. There you go. I'm going to save that for my personal records in case anything happens and 404 try to blame me for even more stuff. There we go. That's going to stay up the whole stream now until there's actually some question. But yeah, so we just kind of learned what DALL-E is. Anyone want to provide me a phrase that we want DALL-E to draw? And I swear if your phrase is you will get muted, banned, etc. if you drop a phrase that I cannot put on stream. Which also a phrase that shouldn't be in chat. Only because I will get deleted for that. You want this? Two pythons playing a 2-player arcade game. Let's see what this gives us. 2 pythons playing a 2-player arcade game. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Wait, I'm gonna have to. I was using this to generate some stuff for a project, and I don't think I'm allowed to leak it. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna go into my face mode and then fix this real quick. Oh, DALL-E. I think I have to actually retype that. That's okay. Okay, we're gonna go back to not my face mode. 2 pythons. I have to retype that. Playing. 2-player arcade. Oh, I should probably draw some of these links and not just use them. I meant to do that so people can start to use them. This is really good for, let's say, icon or logo design, in my opinion, because I think the ethics conversation between creative outlets and determining ownership of AI product or artwork is still so up in the air, so I don't even want to talk about it. But I will drop the OpenAI website. Hold on. OpenAI. So for anyone who don't know what we're using two. We have so far used 2 AIs from OpenAI. So I'm gonna drop their website in case I need that. Nah, you're good, 404. It's okay. Honestly, I think it's pretty obvious that we're joking around. Unless someone clips that, which I think speaks more about you than me, in my personal opinion, but that's okay. There we go. So we got 2 pythons playing a 2-player arcade game. This is legit just 2 pythons. I think that is the python in the arcade game, so I don't think that's accurate. This is also pythons in the arcade game, also not accurate. This kind of looks like 2 pythons playing an arcade game. Yeah, it's kind of weird. You can also add things, right? So like longer description works best, right? So for example, here's a white cat. Here's a close-up. So you want to add more to this, right? So maybe 2 python playing arcade game in a dark room where 1 python is beating the other python, and let's add some color, right? So let's do blue and red at a game. What is a common arcade game? Game of at Street Fighter is what I can think of. Pac-Man. Oh yeah, let's do that. At a game of Pac-Man. That's what we get. After that, I will try this one. I'm gonna start that, and after that, I might try that one. But yeah, we'll try that one. We'll try all 3 of them. See how that comes out. Give me 1 second. Edit. Generation is definitely taking a while. Also, I made a Bob Ross painting. I made a Bob Ross painting in 3D in Blender. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I don't think any of these got this right. What's funny is these are all in the same style. So it is a dark room. That doesn't look like Pac-Man to me. But this one is more accurate. There's 2 snakes, a red and a blue. And they're definitely playing something. I have no clue. But yeah, so you can see as the screen gets deeper, you can get more of your desired images as long as more descriptive you are. So let's try raindrop with a leaf in the background during a sunny day. Let's see what we can get with that. Also, doing a stream. Oh, look at that! And I can add like maybe what else can we add? Actually, let's try a stormy day. No, I want to see what that looks like. But also, streaming at it's from 1 a.m. last night almost until 2 to 3, and then from there waking back up at 10 a.m. and streaming again is not a good formula for success. I'm so deleted. Also, I just learned, look at that. You can do like huge ones. I've also asked in the chat, question in the chat. Right, cool. Yeah, so as you can see, it allows you to do a lot of chat generation, and you have 15 free credits, I think a month. So I don't want to blow through all my free credits. I mean, I don't mind blowing through all my free credits. If you actually, when you first sign up to OpenAI, they give you like 250 for you to explore. But I'm down to just 15 free uses a month. So is there any other ones? Let's see. We done this one, the raindrop one. We could try this one. But I do want to see this one first because it's less specific. I don't want to get too specific on a certain topic. You want to do a 3D render of Bob Ross painting. I'm getting tired of this song as well, so let's pick a new song that's in the repertoire. You know what's funny? I think these two are the same song, just at different beats per minute, BPMs. We'll try this one next. Look at all these cool ones. Abstract pencil and watercolor are balloon or about holding a balloon. That's pretty cool. Oh, what do you mean? Try the variation? Is there something I can do? Look at that! Wait, is this 3D? Or am I like tripping? Actually, I don't know what the 3D artwork would look like. Is it just the item? It's the art is still 2D, right? Just the item has a third dimension to it? Yo, 404, you wanna explain? So how could I even tell if this is in the third dimension? Oh! When you say variation, is it this? Oh, that's crazy. I actually didn't even realize that. That would have helped a lot. Yeah, hold on, I'll pull yours up. Let me type that in. Also, I'm about to run command made. This how long time has been, because I think my computer is like hating me right now. It's like half dying. But that's like a whole different story, different problem for a different day. Nah, it's a good example, and it's not made by you. I'm just kidding. Let me see. .com. Oh, so you take one base and it does a few things off your base. Oh, that's pretty cool. Because I didn't even know that was a feature. So as I'm looking into that one, let's take a look at this one. An astronaut in space. See. And then I'm gonna try to look at what 4 made. Apparently that is called a 3D painting. Okay, I get that you're saying this is third dimensional, but my point is, when you take it as an actual picture, isn't it back to 2-dimensional? Either that, or I don't understand how vision works. Because I will try that. Astronaut in space. I kind of actually really like this one. I'm gonna try the variation and I'll throw this in. What do you mean? So you want me to try more, tougher, GTA 5 character? What do you mean by it wouldn't show? Like it wouldn't you draw something of it? I know, but that's my point. Unless you have it in like the actual Blender image and you can rotate it, right? Okay, that's what I thought. I like this. This makes sense. It's too early for this, mate. But yeah, your vision is one dimension lower than what you're viewing. Okay, that makes sense. So by definition, nothing you see is 3D, as everything is a 2D image to us. Amazing, wonderful, love that. I don't know if I want to do that on stream. I might do that personally later off stream, but we might actually start exploring some of our other cool features. I guess that is true. I still like this original better, but yeah. So that was DALL-E. Our next up contender on my list, I think, is not that one, because we're gonna do that one go last, but not at all. So first, we're actually gonna go ask ChatGPT, what is Notion AI? Oh, ChatGPT might not know this, only because Notion AI is such a new concept and a new technology that came out. I don't think it knows. Oh, it does know. That's weird, because that's a new thing that came out. Notion AI is a company that provides an AI-powered platform for information management. Predictively combines text, wikis, and database to one workspace. That's so weird. Are they called Notion AI? Wait. Maybe... Have they been training... Oh, I don't know about Jukebox AI. Look at that. What is it? I'm gonna start that and then come back and visit that. Okay, but since we're gonna take a look at Notion AI, I actually have started a Notion page. And I really want to explore Notion AI for the fact that Notion AI, a lot of people use Notion, and Notion AI is a pretty cool thing for people to actually use Notion. So welcome to an untitled new Notion page. You have to opt into the new AI service. But what's cool about it is now you can start writing with AI. For example, you can draft through AI, you can draft an essay, you can draft a poem, a to-do list, a meeting agenda, a job description, a recruiting email, a sales email. Let's generate a poem. Since Valentine's Day is coming up soon. Oh, yeah. Great catch right there. I'm going to start over. I'm going to backspace. Okay, so cool. So I've started a new Notion page, and now you can see that there is a start with an AI feature, so you no longer have to start by yourself. And then when you click on that, and then you can do any type of drafting of AI, brainstorming ideas, writing a blog post, writing outlines, social media posts, press release, creative story, essay, poem, to-do list, agenda, so on and so forth. We're going to try to write a poem. Fountain's coming up, so let's do write a poem about. I hope this doesn't explode. There you go. You can continue writing. You can make it longer. I can do continue writing. So continue. I should probably make this bigger too, so you guys can see. I can also make it longer, which will expand, but using the same concept. I got no clue. Maybe. You can probably look, because I know ChatGPT was continuously on training their AI on newer data. But yeah, so like you can hit done, you can hit try again, and the cool thing is you can hit space, you can just do space for AI, and then you can do a lot of different things. You can translate, you can explain this, right? Oh, I did not mean that for to explain love, but that's fine. We're gonna close that. We're gonna move down, we're gonna do a space for AI again. You can summarize, find action, translate, improve writing, fix grammar, make shorter, make longer. It becomes such a powerful writing tool. It is actually insane. You can ask questions, explain things, right? I can improve the writing. I know, I'm actually starting to use Notion AI a lot more for any type of drafting. It's just really great. So like, for example, let's see if I can get it to generate something good. Actually, this is too long. I'm gonna hit escape to stop. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna hit space, 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 and I'm gonna write. So let's say you're doing a school assignment. You should really only be using this to help with. So write an outline about an essay on ethics of AI. Essay on ethics of artificial intelligence. You have introduction. You can define the definition of artificial intelligence. Go into the history of AI, current and potential applications, ethical considerations. It's such a helpful tool. You can make it continue writing, right? I want more. So it actually broke some of the stuff in. But you should, again, I'm not encourage academic dishonesty. Academic integrity is really great. Oh, I will actually ask it that. But you can always use it as a reference model. But I actually don't know how citing works, but just don't copy. You can use it always as a reference. It's currently my approach to using AI. It's a great reference tool. But really quick, let's see. So we're gonna write an essay about the disadvantages of Notion AI. Wonder what it's gonna come up with. Oh. I love how they wrote themselves as Notion AI is a leading AI platform that can be used to automate tasks and our data, blah, blah. Limitations, cost, complexity. It's actually pretty good, right? Look at that. I wish AI was prevalent when I was in school. I'm just kidding. Big kiddings right there. But yeah, it's pretty powerful of a tool. I actually didn't really say anything bad about Notion AI. I only said limitation in natural language processing, cause, complexity, conclusion. So it's a powerful tool, but not without drawback. I didn't really give that much drawback. I wonder if I ask it, make it longer, if it'll give it more details. If not, we're gonna try to see if it'll continue writing and see if it'll give me something more. Actually, new song again. I wish they can automatically loop through all these songs and then not to pick. Yes, that's perfectly fine. I used to have used ChatGPT to like look at references. But I actually just got access, which hilariously, I just got access to Notion AI as a test user, legitimately like 2-3 days ago, or it's like, I can't remember. It's like, I think I was hoping to get it right before the session in next year. So, you can see, it's really great. It added support section. But yeah, you can also, it's no more writing AI, as you can see, it's really powerful. The setup for it is actually a waitlist for it. I'm gonna state. If I break it, I might have broken it because I zoomed in too much. I'm gonna zoom out. Oh, I think I broke it. It's frozen. Oh, I froze the application. Oh, no, let me lower it. That's so funny. No one said anything. No one has said anything until now. That cracks me up. But okay. So enough with that. We're actually gonna stop, and I want to check out our next. Actually, I'm kind of interested in the AI that for brought up. So we might load that one up and take a look. Do you know if there's a waitlist for that 404? Oh, it's also from OpenAI? I did not know that. Oh, I did not know that Jukebox was also from OpenAI. I'm just doing some quick research before I just pull this right up. Actually, does where to access Notion AI? All you got to do is download the Notion application and sign up for its AI page. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. Notion AI. So it's if you already use Notion, there's just a waitlist you need to join. And Notion is automatically free already. So once you join it, I think there is a place where you can, once you're in already, you'll be able to click on join waitlist for Notion AI, and once you're on the waitlist, everything is just great. But yeah, I would first get Notion, then go to Notion and then click on join the waitlist, and it'll ask you for some basic information, and you'll be great. I actually just got in not long ago, so it's pretty cool. I see Jukebox. Try it though. I don't see a place for me to actually try to use Jukebox on OpenAI. I see a view code or read the paper. Oh, do you have to install it myself and train it and stuff? Because that's not happening today. Yeah, that's not happening. So we'll go back to share screen, and we will go back to our window, which we will actually probably explore. I think a lot of people have heard of this, or at least seen ads for this. It is this, the AI companion who cares. Some more about ChatGPT. Actually, I've never seen this. I have never used it. I thought it would be. I've seen a lot of ads for it. I thought it might be something cool to look into and explore. But apparently, actually, I forgot. Let's ask OpenAI. I actually asked OpenAI already. About. Oh, failure has occurred. I mean, I am not going to provide feedback. We're just starting a new chat, and we're gonna do what is. Or I don't even know how to spell it. I think it's REP rep. What it tells us. is a personal AI chatbot designed to learn about the user and simulate a conversation. It was created with the goal of providing space for users to talk about their thoughts and feelings, and to encourage self-expression and self-discovery. The chatbot uses advanced machine learning algorithm to build a unique model of the user, which it will then use to generate responses in real time. Over time, representation becomes more and more tailored to the user, making it feel like increasingly personal and meaningful conversation partner. I actually don't know how I feel about this. Because if you scroll down, it says create your story together. You will always be by yourself, no matter what. You're able to chat about your day, do something fun, active together. This just sounds odd to me. I don't know. I personally don't know how I feel about this. I don't know. Has anyone ever used this in chat? You can chat about anything, explore your relationship. This is weird. A friend, a partner, a mentor, find a perfect companion on Replika. This part is so odd to me. I guess I can get a friend, a mentor, but a partner is interesting for it to have an AI partner. But yeah, you apparently can do video calls. By the way, it does coaching. It does diary and memories. It memorizes everything you tell it. I know, right? I don't know if I just brought this up because it's apparently really popular. I don't know if I personally will use it. I don't know if anyone has used it. Apparently, you get like it's kind of like Sims mixed together. Look at this. What the fudge? Explore the world together with AR. This is just weird, in my opinion. I don't know how people feel about that, but that is just weird. Do you see this? That is just weird. This is the whole entire, like, what is it? It's not virtual world. What do they call it? The metaverse? I don't know how I feel about that either, but apparently it's available in Oculus. You can take your companion anywhere you want. Like, this is odd. Personal opinion, this is super odd. But yeah, this is like a mix of Sims and anything, really. Next thing is I don't think I'm gonna make an account because I that's just weird. But is GitHub. This is just something that will be future in 20 years. I don't know. I honestly think we have gotten to the point of technology. Not every technology path is discovered is the right path. I know, but I don't know. I just think we have gone to the point where like some stuff might not be worth venturing all the way down into, because like I don't know. I also don't know how I feel about the metaverse and people saying, "Well, just live in the metaverse." I'm just like, yeah, I don't know about that. You think 20 years too much? What do you think? Everyone's gonna have an AR companion that just learn and memorize everything about you? What, tomorrow? It's too less. I personally will be fighting that fight until I really can't fight that fight anymore. So we'll see. But yes, next thing we're gonna look at is GitHub Copilot. I wish I didn't pay for it, so we're just gonna look at it. We'll look at an example of it. It's pretty cool. I couldn't find any student thing about it, like a student plan or anything. I have not. I've seen walkthroughs here and there, and I don't know. AI scares me for some degree because of its ability. You have Copilot for you want to demo Copilot for us? I think lesser. It's too less. Oh no. Can we make it doesn't become a thing until like I'm gone? But yeah, I don't have Copilot. But GitHub Copilot is a code search and navigation tool that provides instant, relevant results while you're coding. It is designed to help developers find the right code faster and navigate their code base with ease. With GitHub Copilot, you can search for code snippet file symbols across your entire code base or within specific repositories. The tool uses state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms to provide contextual, relevant result and suggest the most likely code snippet you would need based on your current code. Additionally, GitHub Copilot provides a quick navigation feature to help you jump to the right part of your code base without having to manually search for it. Get it? Like right now, it's a lifesaver. Doesn't it cost money though? I'm broke, mate. Use Copilot everywhere. I don't know. It should be a mini of that on stream, dude. Is it? Is it? Wait, is it? Wait. We might be getting Copilot right now. GitHub. Is it free with the student pack? Because I have GitHub student pack. Am I like just tripping the heck out? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to log in and see if I'm like just tripping out. For coding tools, you probably could. Oh, do you think I can pay money? I mean, I don't know. Really? That's crazy. Hold on. That would be awesome. I've been trying to, if I can use GitHub Copilot, that sounds a wonderful day. Let me see. I have two-factor authentication and everything, so it's gonna give me a second. I have to hunt down two-factor authentication for it. There's no way. How long has it been there? I'm not gonna lie, I should really know this. I thought GitHub Student Pack only really gave you GitHub Pro and like a few other things here and there. That's crazy. How do you know how to get to? I should know this. Let me just Google it. GitHub Student Pack. So you guys been withholding all this good information from me? That is insane. I should have it already. Do I actually not have the student pack? Wait, how do I still have Pro? I get the JetBrains suite through something else. Apparently I don't have GitHub. Wait, how? Wait. Am I just discovering this right now? I'm just gonna drop this for everyone in chat who apparently may have not done this. Apparently GitHub Education. I'm so confused because apparently according to I still have Pro, which is why I thought I always had GitHub GitHub the student pack, but apparently I might not. Hold on, how do let's see. I apparently don't have the student cap. Can you go to GitHub Campus? Wait, I am a student. There's no way you just told me I'm not a student. I feel hurt on that one. Hold on, where do you see it giving you GitHub what is it called? My brain just blanked the heck out. Where do you see it telling you it's giving you whatever it's called? No, my requests have been approved, but do you have to submit a new request every year? Because my request has been approved for the student pack. Okay, but they made me. Okay, well that's not. Well, wait, is it new every year? I have absolutely no clue. That's hilarious. Okay, where do I find this GitHub Copilot? I can't find it. GitHub Co. I don't see Copilot. How did you enroll? What is this magic? Go to the education link. I am at the education link. You mean live? I don't know about doing this live, sir. I am on the education link though. What is working for me? I can get to the education link. I'm pretty sure I'm a student. How did I confirm that? Oh, maybe I have to verify my education. I think I have to redo this. Let me do this real quick. Hold on. I think hopefully this works. For learning. Confirm. Do we get basic swag bag shipped? For attending Global Hack Week, for attending many of the sessions, you do get a reward. It's generally like stickers, etc. But you can follow up more of that. Also, you can look into your emails. It should tell you. But yeah. In the dev pack, is it the dev pack? Wait, they don't believe me anymore. Wait, I try to reprove my benefits or re-verify my academic thing, and they're like, no, we don't believe you. That is funny. That is hilarious. Is this where you go? Copilot.github.com/academic. Interesting. The more you learn. Well, everyone, go figure out your academic situation. You can go get GitHub Copilot. It's a really powerful tool. Actually, do you actually want to demo it? I will invite you to stream if you actually are interested in demoing it. Because I would like. Okay, cool. Give me 1 second so I can get you a link and have you demo it. Check your Discord. I will probably hitting you up on Discord. So give me 1 second to get that going. Interesting. Oh wait, you're saying you can get Copilot as a non-university student? I am so confused how you're doing this for and how you're not sharing it with everyone else. I'll work on that later. He's a wizard. Okay, let me see. So I'm gonna generate a quick link. Hold on. Invite. Copy. There you go, 404. Gonna hop on stream with me to demo your thing because I can't do that. If you want to go ahead and share your screen. Please, yeah, use the private chat. Hey. Whenever you are pseudo ready, I can throw you on stream. Or if you just want to share your screen, I can share your screen on stream. So we're gonna have a 404 demo Copilot. It's his screen. If he leaks any data, not my problem. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Actually, I'm gonna make it the full screen so you guys can see that. Can you get it to write something more complex? Oh wow, it itself do that? Wait, whoa. Well, actually, I've seen GitHub Copilot, so I'm less shocked. But it's pretty cool. And this is, do you know what? This is actually really not good. Um, I hope students never figure out they get Copilot. It's great if you use it properly, but this actually defeats a lot of introductory computer science courses because Copilot can write perfect variation of it, and now actually ChatGPT can as well. That's hilarious. I'm watching it answer itself. Um, but yeah, that is GitHub Copilot. Actually, I'm gonna get off the stream. When I get off the stream, I'm gonna work on getting it myself. It's a really cool tool. But I think I'm out of AI to look at. Anyone else have any AI you want to hop on? Thanks for appreciate you hopping on for that. Anyone else has any other AI recommendation we can stare at? Five, four, four. Oh, I just kicked you off. You can hop back on. I thought we were done with that segment of the stream. But no, I think no. 4-4, you're not gonna come back on. What's gonna happen? Wait. It wasn't really kicked. You said you were done. But I think everyone should go get Copilot and test out yourself. If you're a student, because apparently it's free for students. And even if you're not a student, you have the 1 week free trial. So work on getting it. 404 could, I don't know, find 404 if you need help. I'm gonna get it myself and then I can help you too. But yeah, go get Copilot. What is that? Let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. What is Movio AI? Does it make movies? Is that what you're gonna tell me? Oh, it's a recommendation engine. Oh, so this is okay. So this is a lot of what we've been over has been on deep learning. This one looks like it is just using machine learning algorithm to do a recommendation. Let's take a look. I'm gonna look this up. Movio.ai. Let's see what it tells me. Oh wait. I don't think, did I spell something wrong? Because I see it's different. This uses AI to generate like a speaker video for a spokesperson. I see that now. Actually, this is pretty cool. Oh, is it? More general, it's copy. Why is it so, holy heck, there's so much AI out there. I'm actually making a list to myself. So I'm gonna go get Copilot. I'm gonna look into Movio more. I'm gonna look into, there's a lot of AI tools it seems. Copy AI. That's so cool. But yeah. Anything else? Any questions, concerns, comments? Because I think we are at end of our time together for today. We were able to look at the agenda again. We went through ChatGPT, DALL-E, Notion, whatever this is, GitHub Copilot, questions, friendos and family. Oh yeah, you should totally share. If there's a list, I would love for you to drop in and share with everyone because it's AIs are useful tools. You can use it anywhere. Drop it. I will even pin it. You get Copilot right now. Yeah, I will get Copilot right now. Except for they don't believe I'm a student when I submit a verification, which means I have to do a lot more work for it. Is why I'm going to do it off stream, or else I might have considered doing it on stream. Let me see. Also, I just want to say, 4-4. I hope you realize I said this before. I can't copy links, which is every time you send a link, I have to sit here and like type out the whole link. github.com/settings. No, you're good because other people can use those links, and it's good typing practice. It's great actually. But it's just a funny heads up. Every time you send me a link, I can't actually click on it. And I got it already. I typed it. I'm fast like that. I'm gonna log into my GitHub again because I logged out apparently. And then need a verification code. No, I'm waiting for that list of AIs to be shared right now though. 2, 5, 2, 2, 6, 8, 9. Wait, is it only free for 60 days? Wait, 404. We need you to. Well, no, that I think is if you don't have the student pack. As long as you're a student, I think the point is it is free like forever. Oh, I don't know actually. Did you send it elsewhere that's not chat? I mean, yeah, that is true. Cool. Links are in the description. That's cool. 404. Do you wanna do me a favor and copy and paste that and DM that to me? Because I really don't want to type that one out. I hate YouTube links. It's cool. Resources sharing is always cool. So thanks. Appreciate it. Since you already DM me stuff anyways. There we go. Oh wait, I've seen this video. That is hilarious. I'm pretty sure I've seen this video already. But yeah, let's see. Let me see if I can figure out the student pack. Get student pack. I don't know why it doesn't think I'm a student. I'm so like obviously a student. There's no way. Or dropped out. Yeah, no, it definitely thinks I dropped out. I really am bad at doing what I do, so I dropped out. How did you know? That's crazy. Yeah, I know, but it is kind of somewhat annoying. Apparently, I sent it a picture of my school ID, and it said I used this picture before, but I'm so confused. It is my school ID, and it's what it's asking for. But that's a different problem. I will work on this off stream. Any other questions from my friendos in chat in stream? Any other questions before we sign off for the day? Cause guess what? In 40 minutes, you will be hit with the next best thing, which is this week's which will be this week's daily check-in. Yeah, I'm gonna just take a new pick and submit it. But yeah, I hope everyone have a great rest of your day. Wait, what is in 40 minutes? The daily stream, right? Daily stream's at 12. Yeah. What? I didn't wait. I might have been reading and talking, and things might get blurred. The daily stream is the daily stream. It's a weekly check-in. I'm sorry. I'm like I was so processing too many things at once. It all blurred together. 404. But the daily stream will occur at 12 EST. So in 40 minutes. I want everyone to get ready and maybe for your own time explore some of the stuff we went over. I'm gonna work on getting myself my GitHub education pack back, which I don't know why it just got deleted. But yeah. What's up, 404? Congratulations! I'm glad to hear who was the 404th member. Oh, that is so cool. If I have known of time, I'm just kidding. But yeah, congratulations for getting your 404th member, and I'm glad your guild's continuing to grow. But with that, I think you can check in the chat. It tells you when you join. So yeah. But with that, I think I'm gonna close out the stream for now. Make sure to come back at 12 p.m. EST Eastern Standard Time for our daily check-in stream. But yeah, with that, I do wish everyone a wonderful rest of your Global Hack Week in AI and machine learning, and I will actually be back around later this afternoon at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think I have double checked that. I'm pretty sure with a lecture on computer architecture, and hopefully a fun one that I can somehow work assembly into, which I'm still working on. But yeah, I'll see everyone back here at 5 p.m. Before our next thing on the schedule is going to be our daily check-in stream happening at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in 40 minutes. But until then, take care.